Hi everyone, I hope you are enjoying your time. Let's see what we are going to create. It's pretty simple and like the last video, so let's start fast. The thing in it is that a new blank space, this thing is created using Overdrive Sunset font as a font. And after that, I gave it some, you see, text outline. And after that, it has a great shadow, inner shadow, you see, and the color white. You can see the inner shadow from here, I think. Let's find out. Let's hear this inner shadow and the color white word. Okay, now we create that. For creating that, we copy this picture, not once, but twice. And then after copying the pictures, I bring this to front. Then there is a little trick I want to do. I go to morph, crop option, crop it till here, and this till here. And also do the cropping for this shape till here, till here. And then copy this slide, cut that, copy this slide here, then bring it to the top and reduce its size and paste the text. Now set the transition to morph. Your slide is ready. Let's take a look. You see the effect is pretty awesome. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.